Do you want to know how to change into dark mode in Notion? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. After tutorial on today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Notion into dark mode on your laptop. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open the Notion app on your laptop. Once you do that, go ahead, give your credentials, then sign in into your Notion account. Now on the top left corner of your screen, you're gonna see your username and a small drop down menu right beside it. Tap on it, then go to settings from there. Once you do that, you'll see options like my account, my settings, my notifications on the left side of your screen. You're gonna have to go ahead and select my settings. There you'll see the first option under my settings will be appearance. On the right side of your screen, you'll see light, dark, etc. Go ahead and select that, then go ahead and tap on dark from the small menu. Then you'll successfully change into dark mode on Notion. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.